Hello everyone, welcome back to Anuman's Journey. Today we will show you our day as a research scholar.
We skipped skating because it was
We are
raining.
ready for swimming. It's 5:40 and right now it's drizzling outside. It's quite cold, and sometimes swimming water is also cold. But we are ready and we are going for swimming. Yeah, she's also ready with the clothes. And this is how my room looks like early morning. I just cleaned the bed. Other parts I will clean. It's 7:30. We are completely ready. But I am first going to just make sure to keep these clothes properly. And bed is fine. And other things are also fine.
She thought that she's ready, but she has a lot of pending work to do. You can see
It's not mine, it's hers.
whatever. So I'll help. See, I helped. So the morning time is very hectic for us. From 4 o'clock in the morning, we have to just work, and we get free at 8:30 approx. When we reach lab, sometimes it feels like we are doing a race from ourselves, but hopefully it will be all worth it one day.
This is our sun protection jacket that we'll wear while going. And these are our bags. And it's packed. Now let me show you what my Vansu is doing. So every day we get fruits and it's very difficult to finish it. But I don't need to worry about it because I have a friend who will cut it every day. So that while studying we can have it, and in this way we always finish our fruits. So this is our second room. It's not so clean but it's fine. It's completely empty because we have shifted our both the beds in one room. So I just need to comb my hair. It's yet wet, so I'm not doing that right now. And other than that, all the works are done. It's 7:45 right now. I'll just go and bring my clothes, and after that we'll just go for breakfast and we'll have breakfast and then go to lab.
Seems like I have to come another round. So we are completely ready now, and she's Mango. Let's go. Please lock the door. Whoever comes last, they have to lock the door. Here is another stop. This mirror is quite big, and she usually take approx 15 minutes here as well.
Just take 1 minute. And actually in this mirror completely it's visible, no? And in no, in my room lighting is not good, so it's not visible whether everything is proper or not.
And this is the sunshine outside. So that's our mess. She's taking food. She goes for the tea, and me for the food. The GSEC mess, a student, has to make the mess menu, and she takes advice from all the boarders. So if the menu is good, the food is really tasty. And hats off to these cooks. They make food for thousands of people and so delicious. Ever wondered why we didn't get abs till now? And that's how our whole workout is not visible at all. So these days it is getting brighter day by day in the morning time itself. We take our cycles and go. It's approx 1 kilometer or 1.5 kilometer from our hostel to department. In approx 2 months from now, the visibility will be all gone due to fog. So we have now reached our department and we'll use lift because it will take away all the makeups. Let's go.
Usually we reach early morning, but today we are a bit late, just 15 minutes because we were recording continuously. So this is how our department looks like right now. It's completely empty, nobody is there. So right now every cabin and everything is locked. It's 8:35. Usually we reach around 8:15 to 8:30, but today we are 20 minutes late. So anyways, let me show you how many people has arrived at this time in our department. This is the first lab, and I think one person has come in this. These are professor's cabin, all are closed. This is the second lab, which is locked. This is another lab, which is also locked. And our lab, once again, is opening. So we are the first one to arrive. So this is Vanshika's seat and this is my seat. We have already exchanged it. So this is how my seat looks like. There are cupboard and inside there are some space. And the same for her. And there are several motivational quotes which rarely we read, but it's fine. Hello Ansu, are you ready? So first thing in the morning what we do is we take out our tiffin, our cup, our bottle and all the eating items. So I'm just going to bring water and it's very nice time to study early morning because nobody is around and it's complete silence. And we are a morning person. There are several students who comes lab usually in night time, but we one day we tried but we couldn't do it. We couldn't study anything. So now we just wake up early morning and do all the works and come here around 8:15 every day. So this side there is a water cooler as well as filter. We'll take the water here.
We filled our water bottle and get back to the lab to study, finally.
So right now it's 8:45 a.m. and we are going to start studying. And today we are a tiny bit late, but from tomorrow onwards we'll be on time. So let's study.
In maths department, we usually work on the system. In most of the departments, we attend meetings with our professor, discuss ideas with peers, and sometimes guide our juniors. So it's 12 and we are going to our room right now for lunch. At lunchtime, we take our cycles from the parking area and ride towards the mess. We got the fruits and UG students gets snacks in the evening time. Let's see what's in lunch today. We usually get these sambar, dal and rice, two type of rice. So we are having these two vegetables today. There are late plates available. These are for whoever is coming late from the lab. And here sugar for the curd. And this is something non-veg. I think fish. And this is the curry of fish. So this side is non-veg and that side is veg. Oh, she have come. Says so I will serve it today. The mess staff here are really kind and caring, almost like a family. You know, if we ever make nakhre about the food, they insist with a smile, saying, "Try it, it's good," and ensure we eat enough. Sometimes even emotionally blackmailing us like a mother would, saying, "जो भी बनता है दीदी, taste करना चाहिए." They are enemies to my apps. They said you have to keep your utensils and they wash it here. And that side are rotis. There are days when the food is not so good as well, but today it is really delicious.
So we just had lunch and it was really delicious. We liked it. So right now we are going room and we'll take 10-15 minutes break and after that we'll again go to lab. Coming to mess at 12 p.m. the profit is that there are very less people and you can eat nicely. There is no crowd, no queue, nothing. And at 1 o'clock it's like very crowded because all the students whoever is having class from 12 to 1 everybody comes. That's why we choose to come at 12 and also food is quite hot that time. Right now it's 2 p.m. and we are just ready to go to lab again and we'll come back at 6 o'clock so that we can do workout for some time and then have dinner and sleep. So I'm ready and just look at her and tell me who is taking more time.
Taking 1 hour gap in the middle in the afternoon is really very necessary. Earlier we skipped it for a few days, but later on we feel so sleepy in lab. So it is really necessary for us. So let's go. After a quick nap, we'll just restart.
Just look at the today's weather. It feels like it's gonna rain a lot.
Once again, we are back for lab. So let's get started. You can see the weather today is really very beautiful. It's not at all sunny and it's so nice, so nice. I can't explain. Probably this is our last year in this campus, and we feel so nostalgic these days whenever we pass through the main building to our department every day. Cycling here is the best thing. We'll remember this. We'll miss this forever. And as we usually suggest, this IIT KGP campus is the safest place we have ever been. In the evening time, after studying a bit, everyone used to go EC or somewhere for the tea break. But we prefer playing crossword instead. It's too much fun and we are also away from screen. After this quick break, we study for some more time till 6 p.m. and then we pack. So it's approx 6 p.m. and we are leaving today. Today we have one additional work. We have to go to ticket counter and get the tickets to home. So let's go. Just the backside of this main gate is this staff canteen as well as the ticket counter. Actually, there are so many services available just inside the campus itself. For example, these on the left, ticket counter, post office and etc. etc. The ticket counter here is just for students. It's open from approx 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. in the night. You can get here tickets so easily. If you are too desperate and can sit here whole night, then you can get Tatkal ticket easily.
So now we are back to room, and now we are going to do 2.2 two rounds. So every day in the evening time we walk before dinner, and early morning we do exercise. So we are ready. Just she is taking some time, but we are ready.
Not regularly, but we like ganne ka juice and sometimes we have it after walk.